Hello friends and welcome to Resolve channel. In today's video we are going to reset our forgotten Facebook password. So for doing this, once you open the Facebook application, first of all click on Forgot Password. In the next page, if you created your Facebook account using your phone number, enter your phone number, or if you used an email address for Facebook account creation, so enter your email address to reset your password. I have created my Facebook account using my email address, so I select Search by Email. And then click on Find Account. After Facebook found your account, click on Continue. In this page you must enter a new strong password for your account. And then click on Continue. Congratulations, you have successfully resetted your Facebook password. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. And if you enjoy this kind of videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any of my future videos.